Morning, dear student. We started the discussion Dance Like a Man, and we were discussing the brief summary of this particular drama. So, as we have seen some characters and how the Jayaraj and Ratna are very eager to pursue their dance career as a dancer, and when Ratna's father-in-law opposed them to pursue their career as a dancer, they ultimately leave their house and try to get rest, try to get shelter to her uncle, but her uncle also is not very favorable to them, and he cast his evil eye on her, and that's why they also return to their own home, means Amrutlal's home. And Amrutlal put there some we can say condition. If Ratna compel her husband, means Jayaraj, to leave her career as a dancer, then Amrutlal will let Ratna dance and develop her career as a dancer. So Ratna is very we can say very selfish here. Ratna becomes very selfish here and try to curb the career of her own husband Jayaraj, and how she enforce her opinion on her family. We have seen earlier. She wanted her own career to prosper, and so she is willing to sacrifice her husband's career in the process. She was blinded by her passion so much that she joined hands with Amritlal, and this subtly display a relationship she herself shared with Jayaraj, which was more for her own personal motive than anything else. She married him because Jayaraj himself was a dancer, and he would never stop her from dancing even after getting married. And this whole discussion we come to know that she is very selfish, and she only because of that marries Jayaraj, because Jayaraj was also dancer, and she knows that Jayaraj will never stop her to pursue her career. That's why she married Jayaraj, and this is her selfishness that compel her to marry Jayaraj, and she marries him because Jayaraj himself was dancer and would never stop her from dancing even after getting married. Had it been that she would have married another man, there was a possibility that she would be deprived of her career and her passion, and she would be helpless. And here is also some hint that she is so passionate about her dancing career, because she thinks that if she married another man, that man is not dancer, and it is obvious that that man will not allow her to pursue her career after their marriage. That's why she only chooses to husband as a dancer, and Jayaraj was false prey to her ambition, and they got married. येथून आपल्याला कळते की ती म्हणजे आपल्याला रत्ना किती सेल्फिश नेचरची असलेलं आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. तिला असं वाटते की समजा ती जयराजसोबत यासाठीच लग्न करते की तिला माहीत आहे की जयराजसुद्धा डान्सर आहे, आणि एक डान्सरच दुसऱ्या डान्सरची काय म्हणतो त्याला इमियत म्हणा किंवा किंमत कळू शकते, आणि समजा तिने जयराजसोबत लग्न न करता दुसऱ्या माणसासोबत लग्न केलं असतं तर कदाचित लग्नानंतर तिचं करिअर स्टॉप झालं असतं, आणि तिला माहीत आहे की जयराज हा स्वतः डान्सर असल्यामुळे जयराज काही मला अडवणार नाही. अँड दिस वॉज हर ओनली इंटेन्शन, this is her only ambition that compel her to marry with Jayaraj. When Jayaraj possibly knew about her motives, motive म्हणजेच काय, उद्देश, का तिचा उद्देश नेमका काय आहे, the purpose was already achieved, that he was failed dancer and that he did not make much out of his life. He had become an alcoholic. She constantly took advantage of Jayaraj's love for her and being his wife, and ultimately when Jayaraj जयराज फेल का बरं होतो डान्सिंगमध्ये, कारण की ती त्याला फेल करते. जनरली त्याला एकदम त्याच्यावर आपले विचार थोपवून त्याला वेगळ्या पद्धतीने लावून त्याच्या स्टेप्स चुकवून म्हणा ultimately he failed. He was failed dancer, and because of that he did not make much out of it his life, and he had become an alcoholic. त्याच्यानंतर तो अल्कोहोलिक होतो, दारू पिणं सोडून देतो. आणि ती मात्र त्याचा फायदा उचलण्याचा नेहमीच प्रयत्न करते. सी कॉन्स्टंटली, रिपीटेडली, ऑलवेज टूक ॲडव्हान्टेज. सी टेक्स ॲडव्हान्टेज ऑफ जयराज ब्लाइंड लव वी कॅन से. त्याच्या आंधळ प्रेमाचा म्हणा की त्याचा बिईंग हिज वाईफ, त्याची पत्नी असण्याचा थोडा फायदा घेत असते. सी pushed him into the world of dance and also knew that he was not a great dancer himself to reach amongst the top dancer, and that he was just a mediocre one, and she was responsible for Jayaraj's undoing as a character as well as a dancer. आणि याच्यामध्ये फक्त जयराजच्या करिअरचा नाश होण्यामध्ये जर आपल्याला कोणी दिसते, ही फक्त आपल्याला जयराज अशी काय रत्ना, त्याची स्वतःची वाईफ त्याच्या करिअर स्पॉईल करणारी इथं कॅरेक्टर आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. रत्ना हिअर डिड नॉट स्टॉप बट वेंट ऑन टू मेक हर डॉटर लता आल्सो ट्रॅडिशनल डान्सर. आणि तिला असं वाटते की तिचा एक मुलगी असते, मग त्यांना तिलासुद्धा आपल्याला काय बनवायचे आहे, ट्रॅडिशनल डान्सर बनवायचे आहे. सी यूज टू हर डॉटर टू अर्न फेम अँड मनी all over the world. She schemes and manipulates and uses all her contacts to put her daughter's career on the right track right from the start. She also uses the contracts to get appreciative reviews of her daughter's performance. Lata here is seen as a younger Ratna who succeeds with the help of her mother. And as far as the professional dancers, he has much more contacts all over the world we can say, and she uses all that contact to appreciate, to get positive reviews of the critics, the beholder of dancers. आणि त्या सगळ्या याचा ते स्कीम करते, अल्टिमेटली मॅनिप्युलेट करते. किंवा एखादा जर डान्सिंग कॉम्पिटिशन असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये पैसे देऊन म्हणा, किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये कुठंतरी आपला हे लावून लग्गा लावून म्हणा, की कुठेतरी आपल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टचा उपयोग करून ते रिझल्टसुद्धा मॅनिप्युलेट करून कसं तरी आपल्या लताला कसं वन आणण्याचा प्रयत्न करता येईल, एवढंसुद्धा ती आपल्या लताला करते. आणि लता हिअर इज सीन ॲज अ यंगर रत्ना हू सक्सीड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ हर मदर. अँड दिस इज द वी कॅन से हाऊ सी हॅज दॅट पॅशनेट अफेक्शन, पॅशनेट regards towards the dance as a career, and she also wants that her own daughter Lata should be like her in her future, and she makes her the good successful dancer. Later in the play, Jayaraj blames his wife for their son's death, as she wanted to be successful and she had left him along with Nani, and Nani had given him a sleeping dose so that he would stop crying and that she could also sleep peacefully, but unfortunately she gave it too much in quantity, which ultimately led to his death, and Jayaraj blames her for his unsuccessful career. And there we also come across some conflict, familial conflict here, because when Ratna goes to take dancing classes, she puts her child with Nani, and Nani used to give him अफीम. तुम्हाला माहीत असेल की लहान मुलं जर खूपच जास्त रडत असेल तर त्यांना अफीम देण्यात येते. जनरली एक दिवस काय होतं की जेव्हा तिला जायचं असते तर ती आधीच त्याला आपल्या मुलाला ते अफीमचा एक डोस देऊन जातो. त्याच्यानंतर तिच्या नानी जे असते ठेवलेली आया वगैरे म्हणतो आपण त्याला, नानीला वाटते दिला नसेल कदाचित, ती आणखी त्याला एक डोस देते. तो ओव्हरडोज होऊन तो बिचारा तो मुलगा तिथेच मरून पावतो. अँड दॅट्स वाय जयराज ब्लेम्स हर फॉर हर अनसक्सेसफुल करियर ॲज वेल ॲज द डेथ ऑफ हर सन. Dattani uses technique of traditional dance as a medium to portray the conflict of gender issues in the play. Hence, this play are relevant and will be relevant even for years to come. Amritlal would never accept his son becoming a dancer. Ratna misguided him. Jayaraj was blamed to be not being a man enough to earn and support his family. All these things led to the circumstances that show how the gender stereotype works in the Indian society. Initially we have discussed all these things, that gender stereotypes means काय की if you are female you have to perform the activity that is suited to female, if you are man you have to perform the activities that are for man. And as far as Jairaj is concerned, Amritlal wants Jairaj should be like man when he wears that ringing bells and dance like a woman and growing the long hairs. The Jairaj seems to Amritlal as effeminate, means like a woman, man behaving like a woman, nobody accept it. And Jairaj was Amritlal was a respectable person, and he never tolerates that his own son is pursuing the career as dancer. And that's why he compels Ratna to misguide Jairaj, that may lead him to quit his career as a dancer, and ultimately that happens. And how the gender stereotypes, म्हणजे एखाद्या माणसाला बाईचे काम बाईनेच करावे, माणसाचे काम माणसानेच करावे, हे जे जेंडर स्टेरियोटाइप्स आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते ह्या या प्लेमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. बाकीच्या ज्या कन्सेप्ट आहे इथे दिलेल्या ते आपण डिस्कस करण्यात काय अर्थ नाही, कारण की आपल्याला जास्तीत जास्त तुम्हाला इथे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन्सकडे तुम्हाला जास्त भर द्यायचा आहे. तर मी तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन्स पाठवलेले आहे, ते सगळे क्वेश्चन्स वाचा. त्याच्यात जर तुम्हाला काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आले तर मला मॅसेजवर ग्रुपवर मॅसेज करा. काही अडचणी आल्यास प्रत्यक्ष ग्रुपवर तुम्ही लिहा, कॉमेंट करा. यू आर ऑलवेज वेलकम देअर. थँक्यू.